To record sounds on Xiaomi 17T Pro, you will have to start by opening the sound recorder. You will have to just simply unlock your phone. That's actually quite obvious. And right now you will have to click on this icon. You will have to grant all of those necessary permissions, and now you can see that record just start. You can mark something on the timeline by clicking here, and you can do this like multiple times. Here you can even find the AI speech recognition, and you can change the language. So let's see if it's gonna work. If I'm gonna set a Polish. Teraz zacznę mówić po polsku i sprawdźmy, czy to zadziała. Yeah, as you can see, it is working. So even when you are like selecting some specific language from the start, you can still change it when you simply want. You can also take the photos. It will be added into that timeline. There we go. You have to tap on it, click here. Now we have to unlock it one more time, that the photo will be here. We can pause, we can play. What we can also do, we can just click here to finish. And that's not everything, because when you tap here, we can find some other things, some additional options. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks so much for watching.